Good morning. Today we have rear brakes on this car right here. We're gonna open them and see what's going on. First thing, we're gonna put this here because we're gonna pick up the car from the back. All right, we're gonna take our jack right here. Okay, we put the jack in the back. I'm gonna take the parking brake out. All right, metal to metal. Okay, maybe 14, and we're gonna need maybe 17. Let's take just 14 for the moment. Screwdriver, the gun, and 20. Here you can see metal residue. I mean, this is metal to metal. We took the wheel off. Now here we go. What we have here? Okay, this is blocked, cannot move. We have to take it out and fix it. And then what I notice here, there is no pad inside, so the pad finished and fall off. Here we go. We press in the caliper. Here we go. Caliper pressed, so we're good. If this can move, we can save this caliper. We open this side. It looks rusty, but it's open normally. The bolt inside is not, there is no rust, it's great, clear. Now let's see if we can move this. It's hard, so we gotta have to open this side too. To do this, we gotta get a wrench 14. We need a 14 wrench. Okay. All right. There we go. There we go. It opens. You see how, because there is no pad, it's gone. The caliper was the one breaking for this car. Maybe we can still save it because there is no oil leak, no fluid leak, so we're good. This is one of the pads right here. It's still like new. On the other side is completely finished. You see how thin it is, this side from this side. So it's been doing this for a long time. Now this side is moving and it's got grease and everything, but this side is not. So we gotta make sure this side moves the same way. We're gonna use some heat and the 17 sockets to make it go easier. For the heat, we're gonna heat up this place right here. So we keep turning left and right until we get it loose. Then we have to take it out, sand it, and put some grease in it. Here we go. Now it does complete turn because we put some heat here. You see how this should be? It should be moving very smooth. Same thing here. Otherwise, your brakes will not work perfect. Now it start turning a little bit, so we're gonna put this right here and push. While turning. All right, this is it. it may be a little bit hot, so we have to sand this and put a lot of grease to make it go back to normal. Okay, this is the grease that's supposed to go there, and this is our bolt right here. You see, it should be going smooth like the other side. Okay, all right, this is 15 holding the caliper bracket right here, one, and the second one here. Alright, now the bracket is out. We have to remove this rotor right here. It still makes noise, so probably the other pad is still stuck in the back. So we're gonna remove this. You see how it's broken? We're gonna remove this and install the new one. Our rotors and pads. Now we can proceed to install them, since we have no problem. Here is the brake cleaner. Alright, clean them from oil. We're gonna install our brackets, which is now very smooth. Okay, one and two 15s, and we're gonna install our pads, and this side it will be done. That's it. Keep the whole thing from turning, I use vice grips on this side, and then I tight on this side, so it will get tight instead of the whole thing turning. Alright, it's good. Now after everything is tight and this is not bent or anything, we can put our wheel back.